Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something super cool: quantum computers and how they could totally change medicine. Imagine being able to cure diseases that we can't cure today. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it might be closer than you think. First, what's a quantum computer? Regular computers use bits, which are like switches that are either on or off, 1 or 0. Quantum computers use qubits, which are kind of like magic switches that can be both on and off at the same time. It's called superposition, and it lets them handle tons of information all at once, making them super powerful. So, what does this have to do with medicine? Making new medicines usually takes years, lots of money, and a lot of guessing. Quantum computers could speed that up by letting scientists see how tiny molecules interact really quickly. This could help us understand how diseases work at a really small level, so we can make better treatments, faster. Think about cancer. Every cancer is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Quantum computers could help create personalized cancer treatments by looking at a person's genes and figuring out the best way to treat their specific cancer. That's like custom-made medicine. And it's not just cancer. Quantum computers could help with Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other brain diseases. They can simulate how proteins fold incorrectly in the brain, which causes these diseases, and help scientists design drugs to fix them. But that's not all. Quantum computers could also change how doctors diagnose diseases. Imagine if doctors could find diseases before you even felt sick. Quantum computers could look at tons of data from smartwatches and medical records to find patterns that doctors might miss. Finding diseases early means getting treatment early, and that could save lots of lives. Now here's the thing, quantum computers are still very new. They're hard to build and maintain, and we're just starting to learn what they can do. But they have huge potential, and scientists all over the world are working hard to make them better. Imagine a future where diseases that seemed impossible to cure are now treatable, or even gone completely. A future where personalized medicine is normal, and early diagnosis saves lives. It's not a matter of if, but when quantum computers will change medicine forever. So stay tuned. The next big medical discovery might just be quantum. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool science videos. See you next time.